Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best pre-built gaming PC under 1000. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the gaming PCs in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best gaming PCs on the market right now. Coming in number 10, we've got the ARCHANGEL Gaming PC. With their latest PC packed with an Intel i5 processor, 1TB of storage, and 3 RGB fans, this device is a powerhouse for various major title games, including a remote control to play with the lights. You're able to compete on hardcore games with the right aesthetic. The device runs at a clocking speed of 3.1 GHz. It has a DDR3 RAM of 8 GB and fit with 1TB of storage, meaning that you won't ever run out of space if you're simply using this machine for work and casual gaming. In terms of ports, the ARCHANGEL device comes with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, an HDMI port for high-quality views, an Ethernet port for quick action response, and a VGA port to plug in another monitor. Overall, this is a great PC for casual gaming or high-performing work. Number 9. DELL Gaming OPTIPLEX Tower. The desktop is well equipped with an Intel Core i5 processor at a speed of 3.1 GHz to work efficiently for hours, delivering superb performance without any occasional lag. Inside the machine, the processor is coupled with a 16GB DDR3 RAM. With such a huge amount of memory, the desktop provides you with an absolute multitasking satisfaction when you're burdened with loads of work pressure. Moreover, it houses 2 TB of storage to contribute to the overall system performance. The only downside is the lack of dedicated graphics cards, but you can still add one. Coming in number 8, UK Mantis Gaming PC. The Mantis is made to serve high-end gamers with an AMD Ryzen 3 3200 4-core processor. The machine processes 4 MB of cache memory for opening apps quickly with a clocking speed of 4.0 GHz, although it has the upgrades to be boosted up to 4.9 GHz. You won't have to worry about that unless you're playing 2 high-performing games at once. This gaming PC has a RAM of 16 GB and an SSD of 512 GB, giving you a nice mix of performance. The Mantis comes with 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports. It has multiple display ports, with the user being able to connect more than one display for multitasking, creating a supportive environment for gaming. Coming in number 7, SKYTECH ARCHANGEL RYZEN and GTX 1060 Edition. With Ryzen 3 1200 processor that beats the Intel Core i3 7350K fair and square, and a GTX 1050 Ti 4GB graphics card that devours modern games at full HD resolution, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better rig for less than $1,000. It's housed in a sleek white metallic case with an extended V-shaped face, whose lower half is backlit with bright blue LED lighting. Gaining access to the interior, inside you'll find space for an extra RAM module and PCIe slots for future card upgrades. While 8GB of RAM is sufficient for most applications, you can also use the extra slot to boost performance. Keep in mind that the machine comes with a 500-watt power supply. There is a total of 10 USB ports, 6 3.0 ones, and 4 2.0 models. It also comes with 2 HDMI ports, one from the motherboard and one from the graphics card. Also present is a dual-link DVI port and a display port, which can support up to 5K displays at a 60Hz refresh rate, perfect for some high-performing games. Number 6. SKYTECH Blaze 2. The SKYTECH Blaze 2 contains a 6-core RYZEN 5 2600 and handles multi-thread loads, while the powerful, capable NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 video card cranks out high frames and features a reasonable 500GB SSD. The Blaze 2, one of the best pre-built PCs for gaming, makes short work out of game titles and competitive multiplayers at solid 1080p and HD plus resolutions. The RYZEN 2600 is great for multitasking, and when you pair it with a well-priced card, you're in for a gaming treat. Coming in at number 5, HP Pavilion TG010030. The HP Pavilion TG010030 gaming PC comes with a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 3500 processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics architecture to deliver smooth and responsive visuals, ensuring you can easily run titles including Fortnite, Overwatch, and League of Legends. The casing of the Pavilion is fairly basic and doesn't come to the table offering any intense RGB or tempered glass additions. To optimize performance, the included HP Omen Command Center software dynamically displays your key metrics while sending gaming network traffic to the front of the line. Coming in number 4, IBUYPOWER Element 9260. The desktop features, among others, are an i7 9700F CPU with 8 cores and a maximum overclocking capacity of 4.70 GHz in turbo mode. This makes it very well suited to animation, as a lot of things you do rely on the power of your processor. Aside from the 16GB of RAM, you'll also find an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti 6GB dedicated graphics card, which is yet another staple for animation computers. As far as disk space goes, this model has enough for most people, a 1TB HDD for storage, and a 240GB SSD for the operation system and your essential programs. If you're looking for a PC that is powerful on its own, capable of aiding you in every single task, and also has room for expansion, then we firmly believe you can't go wrong with the iPower 9260. Number 3. Acer Aspire TC. The Acer Aspire TC is a solid budget desktop computer with a Speed 9 generation Intel Core i3 processor, 8GB of memory, a 512GB SSD, a bit of room for expansion, and it comes with Wi-Fi, a feature that is becoming common in budget gaming PCs. It offers everything you need in a general-purpose PC, and the extra features make it for a great choice in the long haul. Performance is a highlight with this machine since it comes with an Intel Core i3 9100 processor with Intel UHD graphics 630 card built in. Acer pairs it with 8GB of memory and a 512GB SSD, making it a reliable daily use gaming PC. This machine will suffice for daily productivity, and if you pair it with a 21.5-inch ultra-thin monitor for the best experience. Coming in number 2, SKYTECH ARCHANGEL. The ever-so-stylish-looking ARCHANGEL from SKYTECH brings some powerful value to the table with this pre-build. Experience true PC gaming performance with this new machine featuring the newest GTX graphics technology from NVIDIA and powered by AMD's Ryzen 5 3600 6-core processor. The new ARCHANGEL delivers the best price to performance value gaming rig on the market. With the release of AMD's 3rd generation lineup, it's not surprising that we're seeing the 2nd gen lineup come down hugely in price. The 3600 chip has 6 cores and 12 threads, with a base clock speed of 3.6 GHz. The PC comes with GeForce Experience already installed, instantly having the user to download the latest drivers from the 1660 Super. Solid 1080p gaming also comes your way with this machine. The sleek, modern-looking case comes with an RGB fan. It also has a PCU shroud to complete the aesthetics of the overall build nicely. If you're into showing off your gaming setup, then having this device on your desk is no problem of making others be blown away from the looks of it. Aesthetics aside, the components speak for themselves, and this PC blasts PUBG, CSGO, and Fortnite with zero issues. One of the best gaming PCs in the market. It's not a letdown at all. Number 1. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. The Gamer Extreme VR gaming PC from CyberPower PC is more than capable of taking care of your gaming needs for some time. The performance is excellent for the price, and you can be sure that something has to do with the powerful CPU and GPU combinations inside. The CPU is the i5-9400F, which is highly regarded as one of the best gaming CPUs. The single-core performance on this processor is top level, and it features a base clock speed of 2.9 GHz, which can be boosted to 4.1 GHz in the BIOS. This 6-core CPU is the F version, which basically means it doesn't come with onboard graphics. Not to worry, though, as it's backed up by the GTX 1660 graphics card from NVIDIA. The GTX 1660 is a monster for 1080p gaming and even has decent benchmarking results at 1440p too. With this card, you can be sure to play on a wide range of games in high settings or enjoy high frames per second counts in your favorite competitive games. This machine features an SSD HDD storage solution, and while the SSD is only 240 gigabytes, it is more than enough to hold your operating system and a couple of your favorite games. The SSD is supported with a 1TB HDD to give you ample space for all your media and work files. This makes an excellent PC for beginners and hardcore gamers alike, with strong gaming features at the heart of this build. Aside from the components, you get a PC case with pre-installed RGB fans, a PCU shroud, and a window to see the inside. Lastly, you also receive a CyberPower PC keyboard and mouse, so you can jump straight into those games when it arrives. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best gaming PCs. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.